Okay, there is a very large and destructive tornado heading towards Louise, Silver City, and Belzoni, Mississippi. Very destructive tornado is heading your way. If you live in Louise, Silver City, or Belzoni, you need to be seeking shelter immediately as there is a huge tornado on the ground. It just went over Anguilla and Rolling Fork, so you need to be taking shelter immediately. You live in Louise, Silver City, and Belzoni. Looking at the correlation coefficient. Look at that debris ball. Tornado is right on the ground right there. Looking at the tornado warning, this is a tornado emergency for Anguilla and Louise. Seek shelter immediately.